Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about the Perlecare 3-inch gel memory foam mattress topper. We got this to test out for our daughter on her twin bed. You'll see it comes in a box like this with a paper manual inside. It's rolled up tightly in plastic. It's really easy to set up. All you do is get some scissors and cut very carefully the outer plastic layer. And once you cut through that plastic outer layer, the mattress starts to decompress, air gets inside, and it starts to kind of inflate. Then all you need to do is take it out of the plastic wrapper. It comes folded in half, so once you take it out of the plastic wrapper, just lay it flat on your bed. These can also be used in college dorm rooms. It can be used in your camping cabin, in your RV. They come with straps where you can secure it to your mattress. So these kind of mattresses, they have a little bit of a smell when you open it up. To me, it's kind of like smelling a fresh pair of sneakers or a fresh pair of tennis balls, so I kind of like the smell. But if you are sensitive to that new fabric kind of smell, then you might want to air it out for a little bit. You can see a close-up here of the outer fabric. It seems to be made of good quality. Has a soft, silky kind of finish. You can see the underneath here. It's kind of set up for ventilation and also supposed to prevent skidding on the bed. And then again, the strap, which goes on pretty easily to the mattress below. And that will keep things secure. Here I'm pressing on it even though it hasn't fully decompressed, so you can get an idea of how the topper reacts to the pressure of my hand. It is a soft topper, and we're going to let it fully decompress, but I just wanted to kind of check it out at first. Again, you see the top, and then here's the bottom. Better look, the non-skid bottom. And this is later, I think that evening, I gave the chance for the topper to decompress for, I think about 10 hours. And you can see it's a little fuller now. And you can see how it reacts slower to my hand, so it's kind of like a nicer, softer reaction. You can see here me testing it out. It did feel soft. You can see how it reacts to the weight of my body. I am usually a back sleeper, and I also sleep on my side, so I wanted to test that out as well. And it did feel soft as I tested it out on my side. I'm not using a pillow here, but it did feel comfortable. Here's my wife, who's a little smaller than me, testing it out on her back. You can see how it shapes to her body. The memory foam did seem nice and thick and high quality. And again, here's me pushing on it with my hand, kind of testing it out so you can get an idea of how it responds to different types of weight and pressure. Also, you can unzip these toppers to wash them and refresh them. Here you get a glimpse of that memory foam. You can see kind of the hole at the bottom there that's supposed to help with the ventilation. It has a bunch of holes. And again, very easy to secure to the mattress. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.